Hey guys, I'm just going around. I got my son, and I'm just about to sleep. And a candy bar. The ice cream. Smells like chocolate. It smells really nice. Yep.
Thank you.
The new ice cream bars.
We've got a sound there as well, let's see. Thank you.
I love cookie dough ice cream, and then that's all this.
Oh, do you? Yeah. My youngest does as well. I'm not an ice cream part of that. I don't like ice cream. I'll have a packet of crisps. There you go. Ooh, get on there. That's good. We'll put that one. Off you go. The soft vegan or fun? Smell the chocolate. Now, don't you? Oh. You come in first thing in the morning. Oh. It's quite the shop room I don't like going into as well because where they all are. It's like, oh. Go crazy.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, get a wishing heart for me, make a wish on it. Give it a kiss. Tag him. Right, I'll give you that one. You're going to do the birth certificate and I'll sort this one out for you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Chloe Ross.